Welcome back, guys, to my kitchen. My name is Gart Adventure. Today I'll be cooking some brown stew chicken, guys, today. So this is my chicken. Already washed it up, already cleaned up with vinegar and all those stuff, so you can see. Okay, good. So this is all my seasoning today. A little bit of browning. It's grace browning, guys, can see that. So let me take you further, show you how much I'm going to use inside of this thing. So I'll be doing all of this stuff, guys, all of these seasoning. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, I'll be adding some oil to this pot right now. So, about this amount of oil. Okay. Section. Turn this down. Up for a little bit. Guys, my chicken, guys. Brown stew chicken. And I'm gonna cook some ground provision as well, like banana, yam, and dumpling, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna add this. Slice. And let this sweat for a little bit. Let it cook for a little bit. You see? Spring your own water, guys. As this it looks like. See? Brown stew chicken. Sweated all is water. So this is all the seasoning: onions, scallion, sweet peppers, bell peppers, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper again, guys. See that? Got it, guys. Beautiful. Very beautiful, guys. Red peppers, green peppers, orange peppers, yellow peppers, thyme, and some tomato, guys. I'll let that sit for a little bit. Come back with my ground provision. Already put on the water. Guys, I'll be doing some flour. So I add some flour and cornmeal. Sorry, I'm the only cameraman here, guys. So some more water. So guys, this is how my flour is looking like. So stay tuned. So I'm cooking some ground porridge, dumpling, yam and banana with my brown stew chicken here. I believe in all the seasoning type that I use in my brown stew chicken in the description. So stay tuned, guys. Now this is how my flour look. See, this is my chicken, guys. You can see, looking good. Brown stew chicken. It's coming back. Rolling my dumpling. Loving this, guys. In this, I put a little cornmeal in it. Ooh. So guys, this is how it looks like. See? Guys. Finish cook. Stay tuned. Looking delicious. Yes, tell me what you think, guys. It's brown stew chicken and ground porridge, yam and banana and dumplings. Looking good. Looking good, looking good. Yes, guys, this is my brown stew chicken. Looks like and ground porridge. So let me get into it and tell you what thing tastes good. Banana, yam, chicken, guys. Have a little spice to it. Really nice. Wish you guys could have come and taste what some of this to be my taster. Really good. Really good. Yep. Guys, this is delicious, guys. Stay tuned for another video, guys. Tell me what you think about today's video. Guys, it's delicious, guys. I'm telling you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. I appreciate it. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching. And my newly subscriber, thank you guys for the love and support as well. Thank you so much. Give the video a like, guys, and leave a comment in the comment section. And I believe in the description to how prepare my brown stew chicken. So stay tuned for another video, guys. Bye for now.